looks. It's very gloomy outside. I am vlogging. Let me tell you where I'm going first. So me and my friends are going to Nashville for my friend Kellie's birthday party. And so it's pretty much going to be, she's feeling bad girls club thing. And she wants to wear silk pajamas. The silk pajamas kind of went out the window. I think I'm going to be the only one with silk pajamas. Because, you know, I love the theme. I didn't apply this wig until like 2 o'clock in the morning last night. If you don't let your flexi rods dry, then it was completely pointless pretty much to begin with, because they're going to look like sloppy waves. I don't know. I knew I was on house shoes. I need some more house shoes, and I saw some in Marshall the other day. I was kind of broke when I saw them, so I couldn't get them. So that's where I'm headed now. So okay, so I just got mind blown because I just realized that this magic mount will turn sideways. But I got me some cute. I will be back when Nessa and Brianna come pick me up from my house, and we'll see you then. Wait, you spilled your fries?
Jada, you got fries back there?
Yeah.
Oh, we got it. Dang it, let's taste the food. So made a seat change with Kellie Welly, the birthday girl. We finna be lit. Turn. You already know.
You already know.
I'm excited. I need it this weekend.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, we all need this weekend, but it's okay. So, just all I gotta say is remember me at my best, not at my worst. Who knows what the fuck's gonna go on?
We finna act up this weekend. You see, man, I ain't even calling down my flex around crew.
Okay.
That's the perfect haircut for you.
Thank you.
Isn't it, guys?
I would hate to be ugly. Too bad I can't relate.
Yeah, nobody wants to be. Period. Can't relate. All right, see y'all in Nashville. We are in the business. Okay, we are in the sticks. Look at my, this is a single scoop, you guys. I almost got a double. It's strawberry cheesecake, but I'm glad I did. It was only 406, which is good. Perfect. What flavor are you gonna get?
I don't want a cone though. I think
I got cups. I got cups. Right now we're just deflating the matches. So all that's gonna be all cute, you know? That's the point you're doing, right?
Yes.
Look at bicep. Bicep. He look right on camera.
I'm inspired. She's like, this is.
Aww.
It's so cute. Why don't we do pajamas before? Catch the beat. Hold on, you gotta catch the beat. Boom. That's it.
So, trying to make some shake. We have some balloons. He don't get them. So, we're gonna keep them up. Hey, Bree. We're gonna keep them up until it's time to take pictures. You playing this on speaker? Yeah. It said it's low battery. It's low. A little sun. This is the birthday girl. This is Jill. What's your name? Dwayne. These two, and the third one's downstairs.
Three drunk cows.
I bet it is. bougie energy. Period. If you didn't know, goddamn, I can close it back. If you didn't know about the bacon and the air fryer, tripping.
This is my segment. This is Nessa.
Exactly, right.
And here's Jada. We have Kelly behind the camera for once. So we're making mimosas. And this is just regular cook outfit. Trust me, bitch she ain't ready yet. But yeah, so we are making mimosas.
Yeah, we are. We gonna add this apple. It's hard. It's cider. She gonna kill me. No, we're not gonna kill it. I already added some. It's probably enough for now. Yeah. What kind of plants are they?
This is cabbage and kale and spinach. And this is broccoli. These are all broccoli. They get eat up by caterpillars. That's the only thing that sucks. But I guess, you know, nature, it is what it is.
Well, you know, we probably don't want to put any type of pesticides on
No,
it.
I mean, I do have organic insect control. But, you know, it's organic, so I better start growing some fruits and vegetables.
Right.
Y'all better start collecting some seeds. Y'all heard it here first. And this is my rosemary. So right here is this cabbage. My cabbage. This is my kale right here. Ooh. And this is my spinach underneath all of that.
Okay.
They're doing really good. My broccoli, even though they look kind of ugly, they're doing pretty good too.
Looks fine. We don't even eat that part, do we?
No, you don't. You don't. You only eat what's gonna grow
underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You just gonna leave that out there?
Yep.